Hey, good things about this coaster. I really hope this do not yank my knee. Whew. I'm trying to get this, make sure this POV is good, you know. This is why I have not fully studied. I really hope it doesn't do this with my knee a lot, which I bet it is. And I'm recording with my camera glasses. Oh my gosh, wow, I am concerned. I really hope my knee do not give out. My phone. And this is a mega coaster as well. Alright, here we are. At the top. Just had to tease me like that. Alright, this might give me some air time. Ooh, fill already. Woo, here it is. I have to hold my glasses. Crazy go! No fire effect, no fire effect! Ouch, that hurts, ouch! Final break run. Woo, man. That was a good ride, but that final thing that janked my knees really somewhat hurts. Oh man. This is very jerky. Only one train off. Credit number 36 acquired. I wish we could exit right here, but they're not using the exit gate, the exit station. I really hope nobody stole my bag.